Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you my homemade slime collection. I don't have that many, that's because I make a big portion. Some of them aren't big portions, some are big portions. I lost a couple of slimes. I think I lost like 2, yeah. So, and I think I used big portions for that slime too. So I think I have 4 slimes. No, yeah, 4 slimes. The first slime I want to show you is I named this my Nutella slime. And I'm going to be giving a review on different things it feels like. At first, it's a little sticky, but then like 2 seconds after you do it, you touch it, it's going to get like fluffy because I added shaving cream to this one. So it's Nutella fluffy slime. And it's not that stretchy because it's fluffy slime, and it's pretty fun to poke. It makes the sound, the usually sound, and that crackling sound, like the bubblegum sound. It's just really fun to play with. Sometimes it may get sticky after a couple days being in a container, but then I just add more shaving cream. This slime is very fun to play with, and it's one of my, I can't say it. I also call it poop slime sometimes. I've been thinking about pranking people with this slime, so it's really good, and it has a lot of unique abilities, so I really like this slime. Even though it's a small portion, I like small portions because they fit in your hands, but also big portions are good because you can share them with your friends, so that's why I like my Nutella slime. Next up is my fairy slime. My friend actually made me this one because I made her one, and I made her one, so I call this fairy slime because fairies have like glitter that you could see it is a lot of it, but it's very, very subtle, but you can still see it in the light. Like, it's really cool, and it's pink, so I added the glitter. She actually gave it to me pink, so, and it's very, very, it's not like, it's kind of fluffy because I added a little shaving cream, but it's still stretchy. That's why I like this one. I also think of it as bubblegum sometimes, so want to bring your friends, it's bubblegum. Also, slime has a really good pranking, unique ability, so I love this one, and it's really cool. This is a big portion, so it's a little sticky, but it's like slime sticky. It's not like regular like slime that's not sticky like, I'm going to say, fluffy slime. Sometimes the fluffy slime can be sticky, but this one's sticky when you first touch it, but it's still good. Okay, so this one is my glitter slime. It's very fluffy. It's fluffy glitter slime, but I didn't name it. I just named it glitter slime. And what I don't like about this slime is the glitter gets on your hands, and also on the bottom of your container. And when you let it sit, the glitter travels to the bottom of the slime, so you actually, so it will just be pink slime. I actually made this slime white. The glitter colored it, actually. Yeah, it actually colored. This is like regular slime, but it's got that fluffy touch to it. So I really like this slime, and it's really cool. It's stretchable, it's easy, and I like it. It's not too like melty, but it can be melty. So I really like this slime, and it's got unique abilities. I'm not saying this one is a pranky. This one isn't that much a pranky slime. Slimes you can find a way to prank, but this one's not that pranky slime. I'm more fancy and unique, so I like this one. I try to make it crunchy. In my last video, I did tape this one, but I couldn't make it crunchy because I didn't have enough glitter. I used all my glitter. I thought it was going to be crunchy, but I added too much glue, or too much glue portion, so. Last but not least, we've got banana slime. I actually did this one last night. It's really jiggly, like, I think it's like the most jiggly slime I have. It can get sticky a little bit. It's like really melty. Yeah, I like it. It's just, I named it banana because I used the yellow paint to color this one. I didn't do it on my channel. The only one I actually have are this one that I did on my channel. I did a couple ones that didn't work. I did eraser slime, which I can't find. I can't believe. And oh yeah, so that makes 3 slimes that I'm missing. It's just really cool, and I think this is like original slime, like regular slime. So this is like feels original. It actually feels like the fart putty. So I would give this one a big thumbs up. I think it's almost my favorite. The Nutella slime and the Nutella slime and the banana slime are neck and neck. And I really like this one because it's also really it's not stretchy, but it's like, well, fart putty isn't stretchy, so I think this is like exactly fart putty. So I haven't farted with it before, but I'm going to try to after. I hope you liked my slime review of my slime collection, and I hope that you can comment down below what I do next, because I have no idea what to do. I'm going to do something different than slime. So, goodbye, and I hope you like my channel. Subscribe and comment down below. Okay, goodbye. Let me just shut this off. Okay, goodbye.